Tonight, let's journey to a quiet workshop in Tokushima, where artisans have been making Japan's deepest blue for hundreds of years. Our first word means indigo.
愛、愛、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
美しい愛の色です。
The workshop smells earthy and sweet. Here, the leaves of the indigo plant are carefully fermented in large wooden vats. Our next word means leaves.
葉っぱ、葉っぱ、
Listen closely.
葉っぱを発酵させます。
The master dyer plunges white cotton cloth deep into the dark liquid. When he pulls it out, the magic happens. Our third word means cloth.
布、布、
In a sentence.
布を染めます。
As the wet fabric meets the air, it slowly transforms from green to a brilliant, vibrant blue. This color is called Japan blue. Our next word means air.
空気、空気、
Let's try the sentence.
空気に触れて青くなります。
The dyed fabric is hung out to dry in the gentle breeze. Each piece carries the soul and patience of the artisan. Our final word means patience.
忍耐、忍耐、
One last sentence.
染め物には忍耐が必要です。
Just like the deep indigo blue, may your dreams tonight be rich and peaceful. Sleep well.
おやすみなさい。